Just finished my third coat of clear, and it's looking like a mirror. Finish is real buttery. Some areas I have a little bit of orange peel, but most of it looks like glass. I might not even have to sand and buff. I mean, look at that. Look at the reflection of this panel. This panel here, you can see me right there. I mean, it came out beautiful. Filler panel, beautiful. I mean, look at that. Just glass, bro. It's the first time I ever painted a whole car. I mean, glass. I got a little bit of water that dropped right there, but the clear was already dry when that water fell down out of my line. Look at the roof. It's the door. It's the deck lid. Cow. Quarter extensions.